Hey guys, I know this is a basketball, and because I'm doing something soccer or football, whatever you guys call it, related. That's fine. Okay, so I just did a really cool trick, and I want to show you guys it. So here's how to do it. So step 1, put your foot on the ball. Step 2, just move it back. Step 3, right here, you're gonna wanna push the ball back right here. Then take a step back, only with one foot, with this foot. And you're gonna wanna quickly do that. And then go that, and then boom. And then boom.